How to change skins on VLC Media Player. Hey guys, and welcome back to Delve Stack. If you're tired of the default VLC look and want to give it a fresh new style, this video is for you. VLC Media Player lets you customize its appearance with skins so you can make it look exactly the way you like. I'll show you how to download skins, apply them, and save your changes, so let's get started. First of all, you gotta open VLC Media Player on your computer, click Tools, Preferences from the top menu. This will open the settings window where you can customize VLC. In the left panel, click Interface, go to Main Interfaces, and then Skins. Here, you'll see the option Use Custom Skin and a Browse button. Click Browse and select any skin file that you have downloaded on your PC. But if you don't have any skins downloaded yet, you could open your browser and go to videoland.org vlcskins.html. Select any skin you like from here. For example, let's click on this one. Click download and wait for it to finish. Once downloaded, return to VLC, click browse and select the downloaded skin. After selecting your skin, click save. And that's it. Your VLC interface will now have a fresh new look. If you want to switch back to default skin, go to Preferences, Interface, select Use Native Style, click Save and restart your VLC. This will restore VLC's default interface if you ever want to switch it back. You need to keep in mind that skins only work if Skinnable Interface is enabled. Some skins may look different depending on your screen resolution. If a skin crashes or behaves strangely, switch back to native style. And that's it. That's how you change skins in VLC Media Player quickly and easily. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe for more useful VLC tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.